guys, for today's ulam guys ay nagluluto tayo ng fried chicken barbecue guys for lunch. At ito yun guys. Ayan guys, ibinabad ko yan sa barbecue sauce and then pinarito natin. Ay, napitik guys. Fried chicken barbecue. Ito naman bumipit. Ang sakit-sakit naman yun. Babalikin natin guys. Tapos yung binabad ko guys, sa gagawa kong sauce dyan. Fried chicken barbecue guys. Ayan guys, sinalagay na natin yung sauce niya guys. Ayan ang finished product guys ng ating fried chicken barbecue.